are back there. Just gonna cast in around here. See if we can get something to come up. Oh, yep. GT. Yep, yep. Oh, dropped it. Oh, no. Oh. Yep. Big, big, big G. Whoa. Come on. I just touched rock. Come on. Woo! Woo! Oh, big. Oh. Get him up. Not really big, but real hard fighting G. Woo!
A large high-pressure system is directing shallow winds onto the New South Wales and Queensland coasts clear, leading to another cold morning.
So what we're looking for is the popper to hit the water, make a commotion, and then just an explosion of mass destruction. Then we want to hear a lot of screaming.
Big shark! Big shark! Big shark! Big shark! Big shark!
But hopefully with a victorious holding the fish in the arm, frothing on the moment. Shows you how hard they pull. This one's not massive, but almost pulled me in like 3 times.
Wet.
Nice little game. Sorry, John. Nice little game. Sorry, John.
Well, island number 1. Cabby struck the first blow of the trip, a nice little, what was that? 10 kilogram GT, which is a little over 20 pounds. It's a decent fish, it's not bad. He's saying, oh, whatever, blah, blah, blah. It's a pretty good fish. A fish that, I mean, up until like a few months ago, I would have been freaking stoked to have caught. Still stoked to catch these fish. It doesn't matter how big they are. So we're gonna split, get back on the boat, jump to another island, and fish that rock. It's like pond hopping, but instead of ponds, you're island hopping, and instead of bass, you're catching ferocious fish. It's just kind of trying to relate and bridge the gap between what's going on for some of you guys watching at home. But nice, first fish, got it done. The skunk is off, baby. Come on, jump on. Oh, ready? Oh, you got it.
There, get up.
Second island.
I'm for the barnacles.
Thanks. Really grippy. It's on.
Yep.
We're good?
Yeah, pass me. You know that.
Welcome to our home for the next few nights. This is where we're gonna be camping out. So much about this trip goes beyond fishing. It's like the camping, it's hanging out with some dudes I've really never met before, getting to know how they fish, getting to know them, and doing it on a little island. So this is where we're gonna be posting up for the next few nights, I believe. We just pulled up this beach. It is littered, absolutely freaking littered with bait. So we're thinking that we just post up here, we stay around here, probably make some casts with some light tackle, some heavy tackle for the GTs, and maybe like some sea trout. Anything that is gonna munch on these bait fish that are just right in front of us are worth catching. So I think we're gonna kind of take it easy, it's been a grinder of a day. It's been like a little you know? But I think the cure for a little day is some sausages, and then once we see them popping off, we'll sling some poppers at them. But this is a good spot. We're in a good area, I feel like, right now for a lot of different reasons. Welcome to Australia.
Can't get any better. Snags in the bag. I squashed them a little. But they taste amazing. We put some bread, sausage, and tomato sauce. Mint.
First of all, you guys should see how they eat hot dogs here. It's brutal.
It's not like America. Have you even had one yet, though? You haven't had one, have you?
I just saw the ingredients.
Yeah, okay.
Like, the way you guys make hot dogs is how a college student who is stoned makes hot dogs.
Makes hot dogs, yeah, okay, fair enough.
Very hot.
Okay, just like you did.
Yeah, big burn.
Nice.
Yeah, tomato sauce.
Ketchup.
Ketchup.
Yeah, Westerners.
You pour it.
Ooh.
A little bit of ketchup air on there.
That's good.
No. Wow. This is like blasphemy. Just give it a little wiggle.
Crunch it.
How's that crunch it?
It's really hot.
I guess the closest thing's a hot dog, yeah?
I give it a 9.5 out of 10, no doubt.
Really?
I underestimated the power of your guys' sausage making abilities.
Ah.
This is minty.
Make one?
GT fuel. We're gonna need this
This
afternoon.
one's slithered open.
Pumping some aqua right now, all juiced up. Sitting up on this point, just waiting for some wolf packs to cruise on in. Hopefully cross paths with our poppers. Oh, shark! 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 White tip, black tip. He's right here in this little pool. He's still there. He's coming at it. Oh, I spooked him. Yeah. That was cool. Flow of water is picked up. This usually means that the fish are a little bit more active. Although the lack of nibblies on my stick bait say otherwise. We're still tossing though, we're still throwing baits. I'm throwing a stick bait. Briggsy throwing a stick bait. Cabby's on a rock and Ryan is chilling. So we're just, it's not the bite's slow. In other words, it's not too hot.
Actually, that's our only water on the main.
Big organic butters, mother up.
Nudies. What are we doing, guys?
Cooking dinner, mate.
Are you seeing that mosquito?
Where?
Here.
Is that a mozzie?
Yeah.
That's not that big.
That's got dengue.
Dengue?
dengue fever.
Fever? So you guys do have some diseases
Oh.
with these guys.
We got dengue
It's
fever.
huge.
We got
I got it. It's dead.
Ross River fever's pretty bad.
Look, it's on my hand.
We're at, what's the name of the camp? Did we even establish the
No,
name of
we
this?
don't.
No. What are we calling it?
Yeah, let's have an.
What's our name?
idea.
Camp
Yeah, hookupless.
Hookupless. Camp Hookupless.
You can,
Welcome to-
you can roll with that.
Welcome to Camp Hookupless. Courtesy of Briggsy.
Huge.
In other words, we're at fishing. I saw a shark today. I watched Cavi catch a nice. Well,
Continue.
new name, Camp Possum. Anyway, today's been a whirlwind of just, actually it hasn't been much of a whirlwind of anything. It's been a literal whirlwind because we've been fishing in the nastiness in the beginning, and then we finally got some calm weather, and it's just nothing. So we're at home base now. We're gonna see if we can dodge the possums and salties, the crocodiles, because they like to come up and they like to dabble. They think it's okay to hang out and at camp no hookup. What is it?
Hookupless.
Hookupless. I think it's chill to hang with us at Camp Hookupless, but we got to really reassess our game plan for today or for tomorrow.
Well, we've had a wind change. It's chilled out again.
The wind's really dictated as to whether or not we're gonna fish. You know, this, that. You know, if we're gonna stay an extra night, if we're gonna go. It's just like it's a lot, but just gonna chill, hang 10, hang loose, hang not gonna hang 10, hang loose on some pasta.